Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine. We are here with our unit number 4 and the name of our unit is plants. Dear students, in this lecture we will learn that there are differences between living and non-living things, which we already discussed in unit number 1 as well. Plants are living things and we can identify them by looking at their different parts. And we will also learn that plants are important to us. They give us food, shade and shelter. Vocabulary. Dear students, here we have some important words from unit number 4. You will write these words in your notebook and then you will learn these words so that you can use these important words in your daily life. So let's start with our first word, that is young ones. Means babies. Alive. Zinda. Soil. मिट्टी, sunlight, सूरज की रोशनी, climbers, plants, those move upward with the support of some other plant or the wall. Creepers are the plants which move on the ground. Shade, saya, shelter is the place where we feel safe. Buds, kaliyan, leaves, patte, spiky, nokdar, curved, bent. Petals, फूल की पत्तियां. Underground, जमीन के नीचे. Trunk, तना. Dear students, the world is full of things. Some are living things and some are non-living things. We can group things according to whether they are living or non-living. So first of all we will check what living things are. Dear students, on page number 26 you can see a picture of a duck. Duck is an animal, and you know that all animals, they grow, they breathe, they need food and they are alive. So all animals are living things. Here we see another picture of a plant, and we know that all plants, they grow, they need food, they breathe and they are also alive. So dear students, animals and plants are living things. Dear students, you also grow, you need food and you are also alive. So you are a living thing too. So all animals, plants and human beings, they are living things. And living things breathe, move, eat, grow and have young ones. Dear students, now we will talk about what non-living things are. Here on the same page number 26, we can see some more pictures like scissors, brush and a pair of socks. Dear students, can you tell me, can these things move on their own, or do they need food, or do they grow? Not at all, because they are non-living things. Many things in the world, they are not alive. So non-living things are not alive. They cannot move. They cannot grow. ना ये मूव कर सकते हैं on their own और ना ही ये ग्रो करते हैं, ना बढ़ते हैं. They cannot breathe and they do not eat. ना ये ब्रीदिंग करते हैं और ना ही ये खाना खाते हैं. They do not have young ones और ना ही इनके बेबीज होते हैं. They are non-living things. Plants. Dear students, we know that all living things, they need food, they grow, they have babies and they need food. And we also know this thing that plants also breathe, they also grow, they need food and they are alive. So, plants are living things. Do you know, students? What does plants need to grow? Okay, here you can see a picture and we will tell you what does a plant needs to grow well. A plant needs to grow well, good soil, sunlight, air and water. So, to grow well, plants need good soil, sunlight, air and water. Different kinds of plants. Dear students, in the world there are several kinds of plants. There are many plants growing everywhere. When you go in the park or even outside your home or inside your home, you must have seen many of the plants. There are some plants which are very tall in size and they are called trees. And there are some plants which are small in size and we can grow them in even small pots. There are many kinds of plants and plants are of many shapes and sizes. Creepers. Dear students, creepers are those plants which grow along the ground. Creepers वो plants होते हैं जो कि ground पर या soil पर spread होकर grow करते हैं, क्योंकि उनकी जो stem है वो काफ़ी weak होती है, वो इतनी strong नहीं होती है कि वो plant को सीधा straight grow कर सके. So they spread on the soil. They are called creepers. Dear students, now we will talk about those plants which grow in water. Yes, there are some plants. They are grown in water. Generally तो ये होता है ना कि प्लांट को हम सॉइल में ग्रो करते हैं और उनकी रूट्स जो हैं वो सॉइल के अंदर, मिट्टी के अंदर होती हैं, under the ground. But here we can see some of the plants, they grow in water. Like you are seeing the picture of water lily. So such plants, they grow in water and their roots are inside the water. Climbers. Dear students, climbers are those plants which climb up walls and other structures. As you can see in the picture of grapevine, आप यहाँ पर एक अंगूर की बेल देख रहे हैं. ये वो प्लांट्स होते हैं बेटा जिनकी स्टेम्स वीक होती है एंड दे कैन नॉट ग्रो स्ट्रेट. जैसे आम प्लांट्स होते हैं, जैसे ट्रीज या दूसरे प्लांट हैं, बिल्कुल सीधे ये ग्रो कर रहे होते हैं, बट ये ग्रो करते हैं बट इन्हें सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है क्योंकि इनका स्टेम वीक होता है. तो ये अक्सर किसी वॉल पे हम इनको ग्रो करते हैं, यानी वॉल की ये सपोर्ट लेकर ऊपर मूव कर रहे होते हैं, और या फिर कोई और स्ट्रक्चर है, कोई और चीज़ है जिसकी सपोर्ट लेकर ये ऊपर ग्रो करते हैं. सो दे आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. Dear students, on page number 28 we have a segment Discuss and Answer. Here we have some interesting questions. We will try to give their answers. So let's see what is the first question. How many plants can you think of which give us fruits? This is very interesting and simple question, isn't it? So let's try to answer. I have added a picture for you from the internet. So here we can see different fruits. Let's name them: apple, watermelon, orange, strawberry, grape, cherry, mango, nectarine, banana, pomegranate. And I'm sure that you must be knowing the names of many more fruits. Dear students, if you get a chance of going somewhere in park or somewhere where you can find some fruit tree, try to observe their leaves. उनके पत्तों को गौर से देखिए. Just observe their shapes and their size, because all trees, they look different from one another. Sometimes the fruit is not there on the tree, but by just seeing the leaves we can guess what this tree can be. Dear students, collect 3 or 4 leaves of different fruit plants and just observe their shape, draw them into your notebook and write the name of fruit tree as well, or the plant as well. Dear students, on the same page number 28, we have another question. So let's see what that question is and we will try to find its answer. How many plants can you think of which have flowers? Students, we have the question कि कितने plants के बारे में आप सोच सकते हो कि उनके फूल होते हैं? I'm sure you can tell me the names of different plants which have flowers. So I have some pictures from this unit and we will see the names of those flowers. So let's see. Here we have a picture of rose plant and rose flower. Rose is a very beautiful flower. I'm sure that many of the students, they like this flower. Let's see what more flowers we can see in this unit. Here we have some more flowers. Let's see their names, like hibiscus, poppy, sunflower, marigold, lily. So there are so many more flowers. Try to learn the names of these flowers at least. Uses of plants. Dear students, plants are very much important in our life. Plants give us oxygen, which makes the environment very neat and clean. So let's see how plants are important in our life. Dear students, on page number 28, you can see a picture in which a girl is eating some fruit. Can you tell me from where do we get the fruit? We get the fruit from the plants. Dear students, you must be remembering in unit number 3 we talked about different vegetables and fruits which we get from the plants, and they are very good for our health. So plants give us food. Some fruits and vegetables are food to humans and animals. Dear students, let's see what more we get from the plants. We also use plants to provide shade and shelter. हम प्लांट से, बड़े ट्रीज से हम शेड भी लेते हैं. When it's summer and we feel very hot, we try to stand under the shade of trees. Similarly, we see that many birds, they make their nest in the trees. They get their shelter over there. They feel they're more safe. So plants give us shade and shelter. Dear students, on page number 29 you can see one more picture and you can see many things. Can you tell me what these things are made of? Absolutely right. These things are made up of wood. And from where do we get the wood? We get the wood from the plants. So, the wood we get from trees is used to make many useful things. So, plants are very much helpful to us and they are very much important in our life. Concept check. Dear students, on page number 29, we have a question. Use the jumbled letters at the end of each sentence to fill in the blanks. We will be having some jumbled letters and we will read the statement carefully, then we will guess what this word can be. Statement is, plants are dash things, and in the bracket we are given the jumbled letters. So let's guess what it can be. Exactly, you are right. This is living. So plants are living things. Statement number 2. Plants are of many different shapes and dash. Plants, different shapes. और क्या हो सकते हैं? Let's see what is in the bracket. Think about what this word can be. Exactly, sizes. So, plants are of many different shapes and sizes. Dear students, I hope that the lecture was helpful to you. If you have any query, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.